Okay, my name is Simrat Sokhi. I'm from Mumbai, India. My whole family background kind of revolves around aviation. That's why I've been so interested in that. I have my commercial pilot license with instrument rating, and I'm working on my ground instructor license. I came to the school because my dad had heard Partso's name so much that he wanted me to go to the school and train under Partso. So my goal is to become a captain. I took my online ground classes with Vyom sir, and I think my experience with it was great. Everything that I learned in and out of for my flying was through that, and I enjoyed the classes a lot. I learned a lot of things, and everything that I learned was everything that I applied in my flying, so I was very happy with it. They were so helpful with everything. They've taught me everything that I know, and I'm actually proud to be a pilot because of how they've taught me everything, and I can actually say that I'm proud to be a good pilot because I've learned everything so professionally and perfectly, you could say. And at the end, I just want to say that work hard and you'll just achieve all your goals. There's nothing you can't do.